Hello dams, welcome again to my channel. I'm Deka Dara from ABUJA Mom. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my delicious moimoi recipe. As you can see, the beans is already washed. I don't have any video for that. If you want that, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to be adding all these plenty potatoes, dramatic me. I'm going to be adding my tatashe, my oporo, my fresh pepper, just little, not so much. I like pepper, and I'm going to add in my onions. You can add whatever you want, or you can don't add whatever you don't want. And I'm going to be blending this together. I added my eggs and the tatashe, plenty mix with my beans, and I'm going to be blending them all together. After blending them, I'm going to be putting them in a bowl and rinsing off any excess in the blender just to make sure nothing is wasting, because nobody got time for wastage. And I'm going to be mixing it properly, like making sure everything is the same color, the same taste, the same everything. We don't want anything to just be looking as if some places stick, some places not stick. And I'm going to be adding my Maggi cubes, and I'm adding 5. Yes, 5. Don't judge me. I think I love Maggi more than salt. I'm going to be adding that, and I'm going to be rinsing it, the excess on my hand. Yes, my hands are clean, so nobody should come for me. You can wash it up if you like. And I'm going to be mixing this. I love to mix. You can use your mixer. You can use your hand. I like to use my hand, and because I don't have a mixer. And I'm going to be adding salt. Then, okay, when it comes to moimoi, you have to be very careful. Even beans, you have to be very careful with salt. You have to add as small as you can, or if you're a pro, better. But then you have to just be doing it small. If not, you overput. And beans and salt don't go together. As in, beans and salt, you can't even manage it. Rice you can manage, beans you can manage. So I'm going to be mixing this up, and I'm going to be tasting. I love to taste as I'm mixing, as I'm cooking, just to make sure it's perfect. So please taste whatever you're cooking. And I'm going to be adding extra water just to make sure the moimoi is a bit lighter. I don't want it to be too thick because of my kids. I'm cooking it for the family, and I want everybody to enjoy. I don't want only adults to enjoy it. And I'm going to be adding my oil. This oil is just, I think what the oil does is just to help it to be creamy, to be to just be smooth, I think. And I'm adding my smoked fish, which I'm going to be sharing in a bowl. You can use one smoked fish if you like. You can use your nylons. You can use whatever you have. You don't need to use only the bowls. If you don't have bowls, use whatever you can get. The bowls, just like the bowls, you can use it and use it and use it. Unlike other things, you use and throw away. Even though the bowls is more expensive, but then in the long run, it's better. So I'm just going to be putting this, and this spoon is like a measuring spoon. I put 2 at a time in each bowl. That's how I make it. And I make 2 cigar cups of beans. That's the amount I use for my moimoi. So I'm going to just be covering this up. And I'm going to put it in the fire, and I'm going to leave it for 40 minutes. Yes, 40 minutes, not more than 40 minutes. You can see how creamy and juicy and sweet this moimoi is. I couldn't wait to taste it. Who can wait? See how it is now. Who can wait? I couldn't wait, and I was so hungry. I was very hungry, and I ate mine with gari and milk and sugar. You can eat yours with pap, whatever you like. And that's it, guys. That is my beautiful and sumptuous and yummy moimoi recipe.